Easy, Bill.
Have nothing to do in her life, okay?
She's just play, eat, poopy, sleep.
That's what you do in life.
She's not even work and cook.
I mean, it's not like she's an adult man or woman. He's just a little
What?
kid.
It has those screw.
That's for her to scratch. Dude, there's so many parts. Jeez.
God.
You got the nice color.
Yeah, this is the color that you want. Look, it's got a flat scratch and a stand scratch.
Oh, that is a very natural.
I'm pretty sure you gotta build this thing.
This is the good color.
Yeah, you wanted this.
Okay. Look, they got the tool here.
Yeah.
What are you eating?
Macaroni. Yeah, just pull it up for the door.
That makes sense. Okay.
Those are the canopy. The cat condo.
Okay, next. This, and how is it the scratch in the front?
Oh, this can be good to smaller, medium, and big can for the can
Yeah.
cover. Okay, next.
Yeah, it's good because the kitten cans are small compared to the big
Well,
ones.
she's looking at this stuff, building stuff.
Oh, she's already inside, Rachel.
Once she got inside,
She's already inside.
Okay. Is she in there?
Mm-hmm.
she's inside.
Oh.
She can't wait to be climb up.
Oh, she's eating the scratching pen.
Okay. There's that. Now, connect part 11 to part 2. This is part 2. Part 11.
She's busy too.
11. How do you connect that? Has it got a board there?
Take her to go pee, maybe, Rachel.
Where's her litter box?
I don't.
It is.
I'll bring me outside here.
Oh, what do you mean? Oh, the litter box. Okay. Click on this form. Goes like that. Okay, and 10. Alright, so,
Yeah, those are like a
castle.
castle.
You
When
lock those
lock,
in. You see
that
this?
is how the position.
Yeah, because look, that gets further away, and that's close. And then this can be wherever, so I don't know, I guess we'll see.
Rachel, look at that. Okay, put the last part.
Yeah. So it can still be wherever you want. Okay. Have it however you want, I guess. Over there. But this has to stay like that. And you have it like a castle. I kind of like that, but I think what the picture shows like that or something like that. Or the picture actually shows straight, right? Like that. That's fine too. So the picture's kind of straight with it. See that?
Where's the cat, Mom?
Huh?
Rachel, where's the cat?